I like to make them kind of hard and like crunchy crispy. I did not feel like the frosting was light. I'm being messy. Now I feel fat and happy. I'm gonna go show you my chickens. I'll just take it all. La, 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 la. I love having a sink in my minivan. It's way nice. Seizure-inducing color. What are you doing?
I have a better idea.
That's it. Pillow fight. Pillow fight. Hi friends. I'm going to take a little drive in my van today. And I was just going to show you what I did with the wood stove chimney top. So I just pulled it out. So here is the wood stove and my chimney pieces. They're just down there. And it's just very easy to take the tape off, feed the chimney back through that. I don't know, I guess it's a silicone gasket. So here we go. So today I am planning to make a little salad in here, and then let me turn on the lights. It's too dark in here, isn't it? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Let's go with the less seizure-inducing light situation today. This one's for garbage. I have a new thing in here. I'll just continuously be changing it up in here because you just always want to find like the perfect configuration, you know? Here is my little stool. Isn't that cute? That was at Home Goods, $19.99. So back behind me, I set it up with like a one-person situation today. Normally I have like, you know, the whole sofa bed in the back, but this time I just did a single, and it feels a lot more spacious this way. The bed flips open, so it's just folded in half, tucked under, so it's like cozy chillax mode, and then when you're ready to sleep you just flip it open. having the Morningstar Farms chicken strips. It's already sizzling. Crack a little bit. What are you doing? That's fine. Basically just gotta heat them up anyway. We're good. Ooh, they're already browning. Oh, that's amazing. Might turn it down a little bit if they're not even unfrozen yet. Can you see? Kinda, right? Okay. So here is my salad. I have to cut all this stuff up. It's so nice today. I'll go do fun stuff too. They're becoming less frozen at this point. They're not frozen at all, actually. This works really good. But now I like them. I like to make them kind of hard and like crunchy, crispy. Usually like at home or whatever, I'll just cook them on the George Foreman. Like the grill, you know. And they cook really fast that way. I always like salad when it's nice out. And then I also have cherries. Yum. They're expensive. Were they? I think they were $3.99 a pound, but the whole bag was probably, I think it came to like $7 or $8. That's probably good enough. Let's grab my garbage can. I don't care that much if some of the seeds get in there. I'm just gonna eat them. I don't know how many of you guys follow Crumble Cookie. We went to town a couple weeks ago. We got Crumble Cookie, and I don't normally eat it, but I was weak and I wanted some. Anyways, I got it was like French toast Crumble Cookie with, you know, it looks like a big like scoop of butter on top, but it's like probably a buttercream frosting they put, and then they put the syrup on it, and oh my goodness, It was really good. Like, we all liked that one the best. And we only got 2 because if you buy more, you'll eat more. And unfortunately, that's just the truth. The other one we got was raspberry lemonade. My favorite there is the sugar cookie with the pink frosting sugar. And they didn't have it. And the girls inside were like, well, this one is the same cookie, but the frosting is different and it's very light. I did not feel like the frosting was light. It was strong flavored to me. But everyone is different anyways, so it wasn't bad, it just wasn't what I wanted. The other one was the better one. That was the same day we went to Home Goods and I got my new stool. Got my peppers and onions cut now. I'm gonna get my tomato. I'm being messy. So I don't know how much life truth people are interested in hearing about. Is YouTube the land of make-believe? Is everything sunshine and rainbows? We have been struggling with allergies and allergic reaction for our little girl. We've had to go to the hospital a couple times. It's making life a little bit difficult right now. Additionally, I haven't shared this, but I got a full-time job because I was hoping to make money on YouTube a lot faster. I'm still not making any, by the way. Then our babysitter quit on us, and so now we're basically in the same financial boat we were before I started working, because one of us is not able to work, and so that has ended up being my husband. That's just the pickle we're in right now. Because of how much allergy medication and stuff my daughter is needing, we can't just find like anybody. Like, we wouldn't trust just anybody to watch her anyway, but when you are having to administer a lot of different, you know, medicines, you know, you have to really trust the person is gonna do what they're supposed to and contact you if something isn't going good or right. I mean, before we were kind of hoping we were going to be able to have that rental down below, but you know, my daughter had to move into it, and so we don't have income from that, and then we don't have income from YouTube yet, and just the cost of everything increased so badly. It's just been too hard money-wise. Like, there's just like nothing left over, you know? It's like month to month kind of life. And I mean, we're getting to the age that that's kind of worrisome to us. So we're just trying to figure out how to get things to work out better. Isn't this the cutest salad dressing container? This was at the dollar store before. This was before it was $1.25. And now, if you guys have not been to the dollar store lately, like, there's items that are much more than $1 now, where, you know, 3, 5, 10, you know, it just kind of goes up. You actually need to read your tags or you're going to be paying a lot for stuff there. I'm going to go ahead and put my little chicken strips in. This is my purse fork because it's extremely lightweight and it just comes apart and it fits, you know, easily in your purse. This is my purse knife actually too, because it's extremely lightweight. It is tiny, yes. Gerber brand, but I really like it. It's extremely sharp. It works great. And I've had it for a lot of years. My husband got me that as a gift at some point. I don't remember what it was for though. I'm not gonna make you watch me eat this. Maybe I'll just take one bite to show you how delicious it is. Way yummy. Okay guys, I finished my delicious salad. Now I feel fat and happy. Feels so good to relax. feel like all I do is go, 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 go. I want to go to the beach. I think I might take you guys to the beach. Amazingly enough, we only live about 30 minutes from a beach, Pacific Ocean. I'm gonna go show you my chickens. Oh, there's Alex and Poop Butt. Oh, the black ones are getting really fluffy. There's Darkwing Duck and Goose, Fighter, and Bella. Hi, chickie babies. You know what they really like to eat is clover. It's so cute. Do you want a clover? Whoa! Yikes! Oh my goodness. Who wants it? Here's another one. Oh yeah, there you go. Aren't they so cute? They are so fluffy. Look at their little fluffy heads. So you guys, Fighter is a rooster for sure, because he does the cock-a-doodle-doo in the morning when we let him out. Right here, this guy. And we also think that Poop Butt here, this kind of darker brown one, might also be a boy. So we're not sure what to do about that yet. At this point, they're not like hating on each other, so it's okay, but oh, you're so cute, you little puff and fluffers. I love you guys. Yes, I do. You're so cute. Can't actually see very good. Oh, it smells like salt water.
It does?
Yeah, can you smell it?
Oh yeah, it's strong.
It's like fishy almost, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like it, but
Yeah.
the water definitely like
Hi.
that means what is it mean?
It's right.
It's so, like, I can't even, like, see the screen. It's so bright. I just want to put my feet in the sand, though.
Yeah, that's
You warm?
I want to take my shoes off. And,
Yeah, I should took my socks
Take them
off.
off right now.
yeah.
Okay. Get scared.
I'm so sorry.
Oh.
So bright. Can you get me sunglasses?
Better than the other one I was wearing, but still thin.
Jacket?
Yeah, but it's not that cold.
It is cold. I have to have a jacket
Well, yeah,
and a
it's way
coat.
colder out here than it was. I like it better. It's not bad.
It's so cold and windy. It's just always cold and windy here. So I've got my puffy coat and my fleece jacket so that it'll be warm enough for me. It's pretty though.
You think the water is too cold? I just don't care, I'm feeling bold. Let's take a dip, get our feet wet. You know it's not the worst idea yet. But it's cold and it's windy, we're having fun. Cold and it's windy, we're on the run. The lifeguard doesn't seem to care. The seagulls hover in the air. And as the sun sets, we'll make plans. And I will hold your frozen hands. When it's cold and it's windy, we're having fun. Cold and it's windy, we're on the run. When it's cold and it's windy, we're having fun. Cold and it's windy, we're on the run. When it's cold and it's windy, we're having fun. Cold and it's windy, we're on the run. It's cold and it's windy, we're having fun. Cold and it's windy, we're on the run. It's cold and it's windy, we're having fun. Cold and it's windy, we're on the run.
What is crab thing?
Yes, saw that. That's cool.
No, there's more than you saw.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, friends, we are going to make some yummy,
Although I
yummy
guess I didn't realize when I was looking.
and then we'll drive home the rest of the way. There's no other way to get everything, I guess. Like, zoom
Is my
out.
mouth cheap?
Fish eye.
You're a fisheye.
Well, I don't know if you want me to.
What is Dad doing?
Why is this here?
It's mine.
This is my folding kettle. And I am going to make some French press deep by the beautiful water here. I don't know how much I need to put.
I'm sliding.
I've got my carbon monoxide detector
What? What is that for?
just in case it gets too smoky. Let's go like that for a minute. Or I could just open it.
That's even better.
Yeah, it's really seedy.
Is it actually recording now?
Yeah. Oh, you're so smart. Okay. It's okay. This is my new French press from IKEA because we had the same one and someone broke it. You're so cute. Hug your
I
mommy.
swear that you brought.
Steaming up in there. It'll boil soon. I know it. I put cream in my mini thermos to keep it cold, and
Nice.
I'll just take it all.
What
La,
cream
la,
is
la,
it?
la, la. It's just cream.
Looks good.
It's the creamiest of creams.
I bought one of those cream things in it.
You don't like cream or half and half? No? She got those little... Oh, is it steaming? Is it boiling? It is steaming. It's pretty. It's pretty here. I'm gonna call it. the sink in case it spills, which it very well might. Okay. Mm-hmm. And let it brew for a minute. Crumpin'. Oh, you smushed my finger. It's okay. It's fine.
I didn't know you're still there.
Smells good.
My coffee?
Yeah.
It does smell good.
To me, it smells salty. No, I'm joking.
Is everything salty to you?
I guess that's just.
I love having a sink in my minivan. It's way nice. I know I'm supposed to wait longer before I push it down, but
Bad mama.
I'm just gonna push it slow. I want my stool. That's so I can sit on it. Okay, I'm gonna push it down. We'll see how this decaf does French press style, because I have not been super impressed with its flavor via coffee pot.
The Fred Meyer one?
Yeah. Do you like it?
No. That's what you think about, like, say you took a rectangular piece of this area that we're at here, obviously not this close to the highway.
That is
Like, that would be a
wrong.
pretty good sized chunk of land if you could own something that was like in an area
Yeah,
like this
should
for
be.
parking and doing stuff.
Mm-hmm. I know I do.
You don't know.
I do know.
You don't.
I know it for a fact. I probably should have stirred that in, but I don't want to dirty another thing.
How is it? Yummy?
It tastes like
Garbage.
the Fred Meyer decaf.
It smells good though.
I mean, it's not terrible. It's just not.
Good. Perfect. Like you usually make
It's
it.
not the super like French roast that I love. It's not bad with the sugar makes it better. With fake
Yeah.
sugar.
It's really pretty out. Didn't
Yeah.
really realize from here, like the angle of the where we're at with the trees and stuff, it blocks the sunset. A lot better view of it from across the
I
river.
see the sun. Whoa.
Oh yeah,
crack.
it's peeping through the
You see
trees
it?
over there a little bit.
Oh yeah, a little tiny bit.
Mhm.
Wait, are your shoes there? What are you
No.
doing?
I'm just standing.
She's being
We'll go for a
danger
swim
baby.
in a little bit.
Careful, this is hot, okay? There we go. Now you can see the Astoria Bridge there. And I am sitting on the cozy zone. You can sit by me. It's real big. Because they set it up for one person. Doesn't it feel bigger in here like this though?
Yeah, we're just came up right now.
Jacket. So
What?
I don't know what's on the floor, but okay.
Warm, honestly.
What happens when I turn on the lights? Look what happens when I do this.
Oh, it's gonna be pretty. What color?
Seizure-inducing color.
What is
Let's
that?
change. What color should I put? Blue, because we're by the water. Yeah, that's pretty. Are you creating a nest? What's happening here?
Fine, you can have this one back.
Well, thank you, madame. Are you sure you don't want that one down there?
That's fine.
Okay. I knew it. Okay. What are you doing?
I have a better idea.
That's it. Pillow fight. Pillow fight. Okay. Okay, you win. You win.
Pack of Pringles.
A pack of Pringles.
I
Peter Piper
Oh.
picked a pack of Pringles. I don't know. Yeah, it's warm. It feels good. You are gonna hate it. It's gonna slide off.
It's gonna feel really
It's gonna
good.
slide right off. You're gonna land your booty on the ground. Is that good for you, huh?
It's perfect.
Did you have fun at beach day?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's very cozy.
It's like a makeshift seat. It's kind of crazy there's no one else pulled over here.
Is it one of
there are
these?
usually people pulled over here. There's another light. There's another light.
That's a cute light. Where'd you get that?
Dollar store. La 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 la. You want a cherry?
Me?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one looks juicy. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. Thanks for being here and watching. And
Yeah.
please hit that subscribe button so that I can get monetized and life will get easier. I will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.